Hello, I'm Lamar.
And I'm Dennis.
And we're the Traveling Clarks. And today we are doing the aerial tramway at Palm Springs. So we've been to Palm Springs about 3 times, and the first time we came out it was for Coachella. And we didn't really have much time other than to do the music festival. And then last year was our second time out, and we were involved with Dennis's DJ stuff. He's a part-time DJ with Tidal Wave. So this year we're actually getting to do some fun stuff, and we're going to go up the tramway and we're going to share our experiences with you. So come on. So we just came through the boarding area. Now we're in the boarding room, so we're just waiting to get on the tram. You actually get a photo taken on the way in, but we didn't film that part of it. But there's some interesting signage and pictures that you can look at and tells the history of it. So they called us to board the tram, so we're about to get on board. We're excited. You know, I haven't been on too many of these trams, so this should be interesting. Here we go. So we made it to the top. We're actually looking over kind of like the valley there to Palm Springs. And it's kind of interesting because it's right where the fault is, where the way this landscape gets the way it looks is, you know, it moves like a couple inches, I think every year. And so it's funny because this thing just said Los Angeles will be San Francisco's neighbor soon. I thought that was like wild, because anybody knows that if you're building something and you're off by 2 inches, it's a problem. So, I mean, moving 2 inches a year is kind of a wild thing to think about. But, I mean, as you can see, just absolutely stunning views up here. So if you're ever in Palm Springs, you should definitely do the tram. It's well worth it. So this is the actual contraption that keeps us alive. Gets you up and down. It's pretty impressive. So we just got off the tram. It was a fantastic adventure. I would say do it if you come to Palm Springs. It is most definitely something breathtaking and well worth it. So please like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And until next time, happy travels.